we need to go to Google Chrome, type code.org, and press View Course. Today we're doing mini project Royal Battle. You can watch this video for now, but I won't. Let me read it for you. It says, this game is called Play Lab. See if you can figure out what each block does. You can explore. No, do this. Okay. You can copy me or you can do it by yourself. There. Okay, this is what I did. I made it move, and when it goes to the bird, it will say the people will say how are you doing, and the bird will say good. And I'm doing the same thing to the robot. There. Now after I do this, I need to put this and say how are you doing. Nope. Yeah. Say robot, and then so good. Great. What I meant. Okay, I'm trying to make both of them. Yeah. Now let's next one. It says, have Daisy the dragon say something when you click run. You just click and drag, say hi there, block. Okay, let's say like this. You click on it, then the other mouse drag it. There we go. It says you use an event to make Daisy the dragon switch to a random mode. When you click run, random mode, it will change. Switch. There we go. I'll also add some links to this. Oh yeah, wait. So let's hit them. Click on dragon, and I'll turn to 1. Oh, happy. It's just sad. Let me read it for you. It says, nighttime. Get the dragon to finish this level. Add an event so that the knight moves towards the dragon when the left arrow is clicked. Okay, this is what you need to do, but I'll add more. There we go. Now let's press fun. I can move anywhere what I want. Ta-da! It says now add an event so that the knight runs away from the dragon. When you press the right arrow, move the knight to the right to pass this level. Well, I have already done that. That is easy. I done that. And it said, help your knight to get all of the flags. You do this, you will need to add events to help the knight move up, down, left, and right. Arrow directions. It's gonna touch me. Oh, okay. I want to make it a game so it will disappear. Videos. And then 1, these 2, and then I need to change her. Okay. I know it's not working. Speed into a snail, a cheetah. Cheetah, that's fast. You touch me out of this. You go yes. And then just I don't like spot racing. Yay. Love the dragon. It says, make this game fun by adding more things. First, set the knight to fast when he runs into the dragon. Second, play a sound when they collide to make it feel more real. Okay, that means what I did before is this. And here you go. Inhale. The dragon will get me. Just keep moving. Play. Oh, sleep. There is hundreds of this. Yes. Ta-da! This is free play. Use your imagination. What can you do to make this game more fun? Well, I did so much. Now I need to add speed. Add speed to a bunny. Is that a hair? That looks like a hair bunny. Score 1 point. Now, the dragon will eat me. Okay, I'll send a change to phone later. So for today we finished mini project. So it's time to say goodbye. And please like and subscribe my video.